In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily change password that you use to unlock your iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys. I'm gonna show you all the process from the beginning, and first off, we need to head over to settings. On the settings, scroll down until you find Face ID and passcode. Once you tap on it, you will be asked to enter your current device's passcode or password. And then, once you get into that settings, you need to scroll down and tap at Change Passcode. First off, we need to enter current one, and after that we can create new one. Now by default it offers me to enter 6-digit passcode. However, if we tap at passcode options, we can change it to 4-digit numeric code, 6-digit numeric code, custom numeric code, and custom alphanumeric code. I prefer to use that option. Once you've selected an option, enter new device passcode, and after that re-enter it to confirm the changes. After a couple of seconds, it will set new passcode as a default for your iPhone. Now you can use it to unlock your device. That's it. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.